Light them up! Come on! The street and then the ambulance. They just take off. Burn them! He's fucking waving! Yeah, she's about to go to jail. Well, that's a.
They said they can.
She's talking shit to the cops. Like, damn, they gave you a gun, you can't even hammer down on the pedal.
You can't wrap it up. Come on.
Oh, god damn, we got lit up by the back.
I said let him go.
That's I should have brought a hoverboard, dude. I took that bitch down the dragway. I took that fucker down this.
They can burn the tires. Come on. They don't give a fuck.
The Mac.